role of instrumentation. Now you are an instrumentation students, okay, and you become the instrumentation engineer, or in other stream also you may go, but your basic is instrumentation. So can you tell me one by one? You are 5. For me, you are 5. All instrumentation, right? So can you tell me one by one what is the role of instrumentation in industry? To automate any process. Okay, good.
Calibration.
Okay, we have instrumentation. We do calibration in instrumentation. Automation of same. Like, what about you, Athar? What is the role of instrumentation? You are an instrumentation engineer. Day one, when you are choosing the branch, this question must come in your mind, or in a starting 1 week or 2, you should ask your seniors or the teacher or the professors, sir, करना क्या है? मुझे करना क्या है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट इंजीनियर आपने ज्वाइन किया है, क्यों किया ज्वाइन? क्योंकि जब मुझे पता रहता है ना कि मैं ये काम ये इसलिए करता हूँ या करती हूँ, तो मैं ज़्यादा उत्साह से काम करता हूँ ना। मैं मुझे मालूम उसका फल क्या है और फल प्राप्त के लिए करना क्या है, तो कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम करते हैं हम लोग। तो अभी हम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ पे व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन. Instrumentation, the first role is to maintain and educate margin from the safety and operational constraints. आपने चीज सुनी है, संडे हो या मंडे, रोज खाओ अंडे, सुना है? But when you enter in the industry, then the first step is a Sunday हो या मंडे, safety every day. If you are studying the news and all, reading the news, hearing the news, so you see, you can hear many news. There are a lot of accidents because there is some problem with the instrumentation. This is the instrumentation which save people, process, machines, and if it is not working properly or not used properly, there will be the accident. Second thing is operational constraint. I want to make a milk, I want to make a medicines, I want to make a thumbs up Coca-Cola. So there are some operational constraints. इतना ही सिरप जाएगा, इतना ही पानी जाएगा, तो थम्स अप का ऐसा ही टेस्ट आएगा, अमूल का दही ऐसा ही बनेगा, सम टेस्ट वैसा ही रहेगा. पावर आएगी तो 50 हर्ट्ज की आएगी, 230 वोल्ट 415 वोल्ट की ही आएगी. So these are the operational constraints. So with the instrumentation, we do something, it is under our desired limits. It will not go up or down. If you are going up or down, it should be in a safe limits. Otherwise, my instrumentation will work, it stops. Like boiler, there is a safety valve. My maximum pressure is 43 kg per centimeter square, and my design is a 45, say example. But with some process problem, it's reaching more than that 50, 49. Then my safety valve should pop up. If it's not popping up, then there is a same thing is the temperature for some particular application. Temperature is design is the say 400 degrees Celsius. It is going 600 something because of cooling or something. Then it stop the machine. What it? Example of the steel making. In the steel making, the blast furnace. In the blast furnace, it is always cooled by the tuyeres. It is cooling the shell because there is a hot molten metal. If somehow that tuyeres are stopped, some problem, some clogging or some other problem, then what will happen? That circulation of water will stop. Temperature will rise. So there are two things in a safety. One is the when flow meter is not, because there is a flow meter here at the inlet of the tuyer and the outlet of the tuyer. If some problem, then it will show the difference of the flow. Immediately raise the alarm. Start new tuyers. And second is the temperature. If temperature desired is X, it is going X plus delta P, then immediately there should be the alarms or the shutdowns. So this is the first thing, is the one is the safety, second is the bolo, second is the bolo जोर से बोलो। देखो
Operational concept.
ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, व्हेन यू आर कम्स द इंटरव्यू ना, तो अगर उसको सुनाई नहीं पड़ा बराबर से तो उसका यार ये बच्चे में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, ये बोल नहीं पाता है। तो यू हैव व्हेन आई फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आई विल लीव समथिंग ना, तो और मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इन स्टार्टिंग 1 वीक ना जो लिखा है मैं वही पूछूंगा, आफ्टर 1 वीक लिखा नहीं है वो भी पूछूंगा। गॉट इट? सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट? व्हाट इज सेकंड पॉइंट?
Operational concept.
वेरी गुड। नाउ मॉनिटर, इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन में वो कंट्रोल वगैरह बाद में आता है। फर्स्ट थिंग इज डिस्प्ले द रीडिंग्स। सो द रीडिंग इज कमिंग, यू आर monitoring the margins and the plant conditions and provide immediate indications and records. Pressure की रीडिंग आ रही है, I am seeing that reading, I am monitoring that reading, it is within the limit or not, and I am also recording. Earlier those, they have a manual things for the recording. Now you have PLC and all, SCADA and all, you are recording automatically. Okay, so how many points now for the instrumentation? One is the safety. संडे या मंडे? हाँ, रोज का वनडे नहीं बोलने का अभी। then operational constant, then you are monitoring, then you are plant conditions and provide immediate indications and the records. So immediate, what we say, instantaneous value of pressure and the flow. I need the instantaneous readings in my SCADA. Next. Now you have an instantaneous reading, you are monitoring the adequate margins and you are monitoring the plant conditions. Now if it is up and down, then immediately you will pop up the alarm so that the operators immediately take the note of it, and any unacceptable reductions in the margins, they immediately raise the alarms. So that instrumentation do. Shutdown. If your operator is not listening, it is not taking actions, तो क्या होगा? Shutdown. आप बंद कर दो मशीन को, वो मशीन आप कोई जला दे, खराब कर दे, टूट जाए, किसी को कोई चीज उठ के लग जाए, उससे पहले क्या होगा? Shutdown. बंद करना नहीं बोलेंगे हम, shutdown. Shut down the plant if the operating constants are violated beyond the limits. These are the roles of instrumentation. Okay. Now you appreciate this figure I made in 1998 when I joined Usha Martin, that's now Tata Steel, in instrumentation, E&I, electrical and instrumentation department, for the maintenance of power plant, oxygen plant, and the later stage lime plant, and we are under blast furnace, so sometime in a blast furnace also. The role of instruments start from the zero and it go to till the plant is there. When I am starting the machine, it is a plant performance, it is the time. First कोई चीज ऑन होगी. Let's take example of power plant. When you fire the boiler, immediately steam नहीं आती है. You fire the boiler reach to one temperature and pressure, then your drum, in the drum water will heat up. After some time steam generated, and then that steam become the free of your moisture and all. It becomes fit for the turbine. When it's reached the temperature and design pressure, then only your boiler outlet valve open, and then that steam goes to turbine. Then what is the purpose of power plant? Is not generating steam. The purpose of power plant is to generate electricity. So when turbine rolls, immediately power नहीं आता. When turbine rolls at that particular speed, and after the gearbox, and there is an alternator, then alternator rotates at the RPM of 1500 and the 4 pole, then only 50 hertz electricity comes. And then when the 50 hertz and 415 volt, then they on the breaker, and then electricity goes to the plant. So in this process, first steam, then steam to turbine turbine from 0 to 7800 rpm, then we have a gearbox, then 7800 converted to 1500 rpm. It take time. So here is the startup. Startup means आपकी टर्बाइन रोल होके 1500 पे आ गई. Then your normal running, आपका प्लांट चल रहा है. Then there is some problem or there is some incidental reviews. So everywhere your instrumentation works, and these all points come from the role of instrumentation. Got it? So when starting, controls and interlocks, automatic sequences, routine, monitoring and the control, then your plant is running its own normal. So now coming to the PLC, when we start the PLC, so these words will come there also. There is a lot of interlocks. ये चालू है तो वो चालू नहीं होगा, वो चालू है तो ये चालू नहीं होगा. Got it? टैंक में पानी नहीं है तो मोटर ऑन नहीं होगी. टैंक भर गया है तो पीछे वाला पंप ऑफ होना चाहिए. एंड देयर इज सम ऑटोमेटिक सीक्वेंस आल्सो. ये काम हो गया तो वो काम खत्म हो गया तो ये काम. जैसे ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल लाइट्स का एग्जांपल आएगा. लाल लाइट जल गई तो ही फिर 10 सेकंड में हरी लाइट जलेगी, फिर 5 सेकंड में पीली लाइट जलेगी और फिर लाल लाइट जलेगी. तो दिस इज सीक्वेंस. सो आई एम गिविंग यू वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल टू जस्ट टू मेक अ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दैट. सो टिल नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन. समझ में आया कि इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन करता क्या है. नाउ देयर इज सम नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, बिकॉज अभी कल को आपको कहीं जाना है. सो यू शुड नो मैं कहाँ जा सकता हूँ, वहां पे क्या क्या ऑपरेशंस होते हैं, व्हाट आई एम स्टडिंग टुडे ये कहाँ लगता है. सो एयर कंप्रेशर सब जगह लगता है, इवोपरेटर बहुत सारी जगह लगता है, मोटर्स द वर्क हॉर्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री हर जगह लगती है. सो हमको समझना पड़ेगा कि मुझे जहाँ जाना है वहाँ की टर्मिनोलॉजी, वहाँ की वर्किंग, वहाँ की चीज़ें हमको आनी चाहिए, और इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन वहाँ कहाँ लग रहा है, ऑटोमेशन वहाँ कहाँ लग रहा है. तो वी विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मोटर्स, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, राइट.